Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to show you how to verify your email on Duolingo. Before watching this video, please subscribe the channel. Let's get started. First, open Duolingo app on your device. Now tap on girls icon bottom center. Now tap on settings. Under settings, tap on profile. Here, complete your profile information by adding your name, password and email. Now, open your email inbox. Here, tap on Duolingo, verify email. Now, tap on confirm email. That's it. Successfully verify your Duolingo email. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video.